Alright, so today's recipe, we are going to be making fried bologna, which is another one of my favorite foods from growing up that I still enjoy to this day. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing we need to make this is obviously bologna. I prefer Oscar Mayer, regular non-low sodium, whatever, with all the parts in it. I know some people don't like bologna, but honestly, this recipe is delicious. Next up, we need bread. Just 2 pieces of whatever type of bread you want. We happen to have honey wheat bread in the house right now, so that's what I'm using. Butter, just to melt in the pan before you fry up the bologna. And then mustard is what I use on the bread as a condiment. I think other people enjoy Miracle Whip or mayo. Some people put cheese on it. I don't know. This is literally all I use. Bologna bread, butter, and mustard. Alright, full disclosure here. I already made my fried bologna sandwich earlier for lunch before recording this little intro. So that's why it's very quiet here right now while I'm recording all of this, and it is probably going to be kind of loud in the actual recipe video because the kids are around. Everybody's home. I can't get away from anybody and record stuff. And I didn't really want to eat lunch at 2 o'clock in the afternoon after everybody took their naps. So might get a little loud. It is what it is. Hopefully it helps you understand how to make the fried bologna. It's really the simplest recipe in the world. If you don't want to watch the rest of the video, all you do is you melt the butter in the pan, put some 3 pieces of bologna in it, fry it up, put some mustard on the bread, and put the bologna on the bread. That's it. But check out the rest of the video. Make sure you subscribe. There's some other cool recipes on our channel. There's some cool taste test videos and things like that. Otherwise, enjoy the recipe. The next thing you want to do is put butter in the pan and melt it. Doesn't matter if it's margarine, butter, whatever. Just melt it and coat the pan. Pretty simple. Next, take 4 pieces of bologna and put them in the pan. Yeah, we'll just do 3. The 3. And then some people like to cut them down the middle so they don't bubble up. You can do that if you want. Now you let this sit in the frying pan until it starts to fry and bubble up, and then we will flip it over. While our bologna is starting to fry, we can get out our mustard and put mustard on our pieces of bread. You can do it however you want, but I use mustard. Alright, once it's all fried on one side, just flip them over with a fork. And fry up the other side. Looking good. Alright, once it's all fried, take it off and just add it to your sandwich. And that is it. Delicious.
How is it, Dad?
It's good.